We're in the middle of stitching out an embroidery design on the BERNINA 570, and I want to talk about using your foot control during the embroidery stitch out. Now, number one, most of the time, this is not connected to my machine, and if you were to accidentally not have it with you at class, it's no big deal. But what you can do if you are using a foot control or have it plugged in is sometimes when you're doing like in the hoop designs or applique and you want to just stitch a couple stitches slowly, like as it's creeping over or getting on top of a new area you've just laid in there, you can actually use your foot control just to kind of go slow. You can even drop that speed down so you can't go too fast. I'm not going to sit at a whole design and just keep my foot on the foot control, but there's a time and place that having the ability to kind of maybe help the items that you've layered for in the hoop projects with your fingers and then just take a stitch or two and then be able to stop, or you're stitching over one of those zippers that are in like a zippered bag that you're making. You can totally use that when you're kind of working at crossing over the zipper area for the final seam. It's also, watch this, you can actually turn the machine on. So I've pushed the button. I know I have it slow here, but you can also step on your foot control for a quick stop. So since this table is kind of even a stand-up type setting for me, this could actually be set kind of beside the machine, and if I wander off but know I need to turn the machine off, the phone rings or I hear something that I need to stop the machine for really quick, I can just have this over on the side and then use this as like a stop button. And then that way the machine will stop. I can pause it super easy instead of me trying to find that stop button right here. But there is multiple times where having your foot control close by or available to plug in that we do use it during the embroidery process.